Hello all. So if you have a Chevy and you're getting the message SVC Tire Monitor on the dashboard and it's saying tire low, add air, and you've gone around and you added air to all the tires and you know they're good, but you're still getting this message, I thought I'd go over the causes and fixes for this so that you can solve the issue. So I'm going to put links down below for everything I'm looking at here. But basically, what is the SVC Tire Monitor error warning message? Well, every tire has a sensor, and it's called the TPMS sensor. And when it reads that the tire pressure is low, it sends that information back to the onboard computer, which then will display on the dashboard this message. So when you see this message, one of those sensors is seeing that the tire is either low on air or that sensor has gone bad. And so what does one of these TPMS sensors look like? Well, they're located in each tire. They're right on where you add the air on the inside. And quite often, any tire repair shop can replace them, or a mechanic shop quite often can replace them. They do require opening up the tire and screwing in and out the old one and putting in a new one. They're not terribly difficult to do, but if you don't have the right tools, it can be a pain, and it's probably better off just to take it to a tire shop to get this sensor replaced. Just to give you an idea of the cost, here they are on Amazon, roughly 32 to 50 bucks, down to like 12, 50. They're not terribly expensive things. Most of the cost would be in the labor, so you'd have to call around and see how much that costs to fix those. And if you want to know which tire is having the issue, then most Chevys, the onboard computer has built-in self-diagnostics that'll tell you which tire is having the low pressure issue. And this can vary on different models and makes of the vehicle, but a very common method to find out which tire is having the problem is you put the key in, you put it on the on position, you press and hold the lock and the unlock button for around 5 seconds, and then the dashboard will pop up and display information on which one is having the problem. And it'll display what information on which tire is having the problem. And like I said, this can vary. So you may have to Google the onboard diagnostics for this, for the steps to be able to pull up that information for your vehicle. But if you wanted to know the exact one it is, you can do that. You can also do that too if you have a really nice OBD2 scan tool, but most people aren't going to have that. More than likely, you have to use the onboard diagnostics, or you could just take it to a tire repair shop and they'll be able to pull it up and find out which tire is having the issue. So I just wanted to give a real brief overview of what is going on if you have this SVC Tire Monitor and you can't get it to clear and you're wondering what to do or how to fix it, then it's more than likely got a bad TPMS sensor. You can, number one, you can replace it yourself if you have the right tools. You could use a built-in onboard diagnostics or a nice OBD2 scan tool to find out which tire is having the problem. And then you could take it apart and put in a new one. Or probably the best option is just take it to a tire repair shop that has the tools to swap out the TPMS sensor and just get it replaced. So that's basically it. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. But if this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.